In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Excel to find the mean, median, and mode for any sets of data. So here you can see I have the first example that I have the following sets of data. It's talking about the number of hamburgers consumed each month by the Jones family. We want to find the mean, median, and mode using Excel. So the first thing first, we need to have the data ready in the Excel. So we have to have the Excel open. And then I need to transport the data into Excel. So since for this one, I only have the raw data, so I have to type it manually. So I have 46, 44, 61, 59, 42, 84, 61, 55, 31, 22, and 26. So I just enter those in the order of the data is given to me. And then next, I need to find mean, median, and mode. So I'm going to just type it up. I want to find the mean, which is the average, the median, and then the mode. Okay? So by definition, mean is the average. Okay, so let me zoom it up a little bit so you can see it a little bit bigger. So mean is the average. According to the definition for average, that is sum up everything and divide it by how many we have. So we can use that way to do it. Or we can use the built-in function in Excel. Just type up average, parentheses. It's talking about what are the data I want to find average. So I'm going to find from the 46 all the way to 26. So you can either type in A1, that's the location for the first data, comma, not comma, colon to A12. So that's the last number, the location for the last data. Or if you cannot figure out the locations, you can also just highlighting them. I highlight this one, so I click and then just highlighting them without moving my finger. And then hit enter. I have my average mean, which is 50.8333. Okay. The second one is the median. Median is the middle data. So in order for me to find the middle data, I first need to sort those data. So you can either highlighting them or just selecting the entire column if you only have those data. So I'm just going to highlighting them for this time. And then I'm going to find something called the sort. And I want to sort it from the smallest to the largest. Once I've sorted it, I can just literally locating where's my middle one. Or I can use the built-in function called the median. Still highlighting the entire data set. And enter, we got 50.5. Okay, so but if I have the built-in function, why I need to sort them? Number one is in the future, we're not only going to find the median, we also need to find other like the 25%, the 75%. Also, it's also nice for us to find the mode because all the numbers are listed or ordered it from the smallest to the largest. Mode means the most repeated one. So if I sort it already, I can easily for me to see is there any number is repeated. For this case, is 61. So the repeated one is 61. So that's the first one. I can show you another example. For example number 2, we have the following list contains the first, the speed of the first 10 pages of the word series. Find the mean, median, and mode. So we have those data. So still, I want to open a new window. I have to type up everything manually. So 91, 93, 89, 92, 94, 94, 88, 72, 95, and 83. Okay, once I have those, I need to find my mean first, median, and then mode. So to find my mean, I'm going to use the average of all the data, 81. To find my median, I type in equal to median and then highlighting all the data sets. To find the mode, I have to reorder it first. And then I can see which number is repeated. For this one, I can see is 94. 94 is the number is repeated.